Hello students, welcome to my channel. I am your Manoj sir. I hope you are all doing well. Let's start today's lecture, which is about the problems on reduction formula for integration cos power nx dx. In the previous lecture, I already explained the reduction formula for integration cos power nx dx. If you are not yet watched that video or lecture, please go through that once. And if you are a new person who is watching my lectures, please do subscribe to my channel if you are not yet subscribed. Your one subscription will motivate me to further beautiful concepts of mathematics. Okay, let us start today's lecture. The first problem is using reduction formula find integration cos power 4x dx. Which reduction formula? The reduction formula for integration cos power nx dx. Okay, let us solve this. Solution. We know that from the reduction formula for integration cos power nx dx, right? That is in is equals to integration cos power nx dx. What is the reduction formula for this? We know that in is equals to, the reduction formula is in is equals to cos power n minus 1x into sin x divided by n plus n minus 1 divided by n plus into in minus 2. So this is the reduction formula for integration cos power nx dx, right? Integration cos power nx dx. Now, by considering this, we know that let us take n is equals to what they given in the question, that is 4, right? 4. So let us take 4 here. N is equals to 4, right? N is equals to 4. Now let us substitute the value of n in the reduction formula for integration cos power nx dx. Let us write. So n is equals to 4, right? So I4 is equals to cos power 4 minus, that is n minus 1 is 4 minus 1, right? 4 minus 1. So 4 minus 1 is 3, right? 3x into sin x divided by n is equals to 4, so divided by 4, plus here n is 4, 4 minus 1 is 3, 3 divided by n is 4, this 4, and into I 4 minus 2 is 2, right? 2. Okay, then now we have to take n is equals to 2 to find this I2, right? To find I2, we have to take n is equals to 2. Then I2 is equals to cos power, what is 2 minus 1? 2 minus 1 is 1, right? 1x into sin x divided by n is 2, right? So 2 plus here there is n minus 1. So 2 minus 1 is 1 divided by n is 2, right? N is 2. So 2 into I. Here is 2, 2 minus 2 is 0, that is I naught, right? So now we have to find the value of I naught, and here I will take this as equation 1 and this as equation 2. Now we have to find I naught, right? I naught. To find I naught, we have to consider equation, or we have to consider this. Let's take this as equation star. Okay. To find the value of I naught, we have to consider equation star. That is, let us write here. In is equals to integration cos power nx dx, right? By considering this, we can take n is equals to 0 here. I naught means n is equals to 0, right? So when we take, or when we replace n by 0, or n is equals to 0, I naught is equals to, will become cos integration cos power 0 x dx is equals to, what is cos power 0 is 1, right? So integration 1x 1 dx, integration 1 dx. What is integration of 1? That is x, right? X. So I naught is equals to x. Let's take this as equation 3. Okay, did you understand up to here? Okay. Next, substitute equation 2 and 3 in 1. Okay, substitute equation 2 and 3 in equation 1. Okay, what is equation 1? Equation 1 is this, right? I4 is equals to cos cube x into sin x divided by 4 plus 3 by 4 I2, right? Let us substitute here. So I4 is equals to cos power 3x into sin x divided by 4 plus 3 by 4. Here we have I2, right? I2, we know the value of I2 here, so let us substitute I2. That is, I2 is equals to cos power 1x into sin x divided by 2 plus 1 by 2. Now here we have I naught, right? So what is the value of I naught? I naught value is x. So let us write x. Did you understand? Okay. Now let us simplify this. I4 is equals to cos cube x into sin x divided by 4 plus, let us multiply this, 3 by 4 to these two terms, we get 3 cos x into sin x divided by 4 into 2 is 8 plus 2 into 1 is, 3 into 1 is 3x divided by 4 into 2 is 8. So this is a required solution. So this is a required solution for the problem integration cos power 4x dx. So this ends this lecture. Let's meet you in the next lecture with some other problems. Until take care, thank you, bye bye. God bless you.